Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book with the Columbus ships by Jose Maria Martinez-Hidalgo, edited by Howard Irwin Chapelle. The basis of Columbus ships is a 10-year research program by the noted Spanish maritime scholar Jose Maria Martinez-Hidalgo, director of the Museo Marítimo, Barcelona, Spain. His main objectives were to support his belief that the Santa Maria was a nao and the Niña and Pinta were caravels, and to combine all the available information and data into reconstructions of the three vessels, making them the last word in the continued attempt to reproduce replicas of these famous ships. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.